Everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer DE. With this Mitsubishi Lancer DE, it has the 5-speed manual transmission, has a nice Bluetooth audio set, it has these nice alloy wheels, and so much more. Now let's get into the interior. Getting to the interior of the Lancer DE, as you can see, you do have your analog display that Lancers always are known for. As you can see, you do have your power windows. This being a DE, it does have the manual transmission. You do have your AC, and you do have a Bluetooth compatible stereo set. Lancer DE, as you can see, you do have a lot of ample room of space for a sedan. If you want to come view this Mitsubishi Lancer, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or contact us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.